Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we are going to make some cheese arancini. So arancini is an Italian dish which is made up of risotto rice which is stuffed with cheese and it is crumb fried. So let's start making our arancini. We have the ingredients with us. We have the arborio rice, we have some chopped onion, some chopped garlic, chopped parsley, some dried thyme, some salt. We have some parmesan cheese, chili flakes, some butter, olive oil, vegetable stock and some bread for the breadcrumbs. Now we'll start by lightly roasting the arborio rice in the pan. So our rice is nicely toasted. Take it and keep it aside. Now heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. We have 1 small size onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Now saute for around 1 to 2 minutes till the onion becomes translucent. And turn the heat down to medium. Now we add the toasted rice to this. Cook this for nearly around 1 minute. Now we'll add vegetable stock to it. This will be around 3 cups of vegetable stock. You need to cook this rice similarly like we have done for risotto. We have to make sure the rice is not too soft, but it has to be little crunchy. But if you like arancini to be more softer, you can also overcook it a little bit. So meanwhile, till our rice is getting cooked for the arancini, we will make breadcrumbs. We have around 7 to 8 slices of fresh white bread. So we'll just tear it and we'll put it in the mixie jar. So while making the breadcrumb, please keep in mind that you do not blend it too finely. You can use the pulse button on your mixie so you can start getting the coarsely grinded breadcrumbs. So our breadcrumb is ready here. Our rice for the arancini is still cooking. In the meanwhile, we'll make some spicy tomato sauce. For that, we'll take 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now let this cook through. Once the garlic starts releasing its flavor, we'll add the ready-made tomato sauce that we have with us. Now the garlic is already sweating. Now we'll take it off the flame and add some tomato sauce to it. We'll have 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce to it. Lightly season it with salt. Our spicy tomato sauce is now ready. Now we'll finish it with some chopped parsley. Our spicy tomato sauce is ready. So our rice is almost ready now. We'll just season it with some salt and pepper. And finally, we'll finish it with some grated parmesan cheese. And a teaspoon of butter. Now mix the parmesan cheese and butter nicely into it. Check for the seasoning and now we'll take it out in a plate. Now the mixture is ready. Now we have taken it out in a plate and we'll allow it to cool outside for some time, or you can also put it in the fridge so that it cools faster. Now our arancini mixture is getting chilled. Till then, we'll make a slurry so that we can coat breadcrumbs onto it. For this, we have taken around 4 tablespoons of refined flour and around 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. Now mix this properly. Make sure your batter doesn't have any lumps. Now just season it with a little bit of salt. So our rice is chilled and it's ready. For making arancini, just take a small portion in your hand. Flatten it out and take one small cube of cheese and stuff it inside. And try to make it into a round ball. Once this is ready, drop it into the batter, lightly coat it, and then put it back into the crumb. You can follow the same process for all the other arancini. Now we'll start frying the arancinis. Arancinis are ready. Now it's time to plate.